This is a 2012 Chevrolet Impala. It features a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include heated seats, XM satellite radio, direct injection, alloy wheels, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, full power accessories, a driver's side impact airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, a home link feature, a rear window defroster, a traction control system, a rear spoiler, and this vehicle has fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 30 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile pays off in the long run. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.